Did you know that certain foods can help cleanse your arteries? It's true. Our daily diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining our heart health. A balanced diet full of the right nutrients can help keep our arteries clean and functioning optimally. Healthy arteries mean a healthier heart and a healthier you. So, what's on the menu for a heart-healthy diet? In this video, we will explore some foods that can help keep your arteries clean and healthy. First on our list is the powerful pomegranate. This vibrant fruit is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which offer a strong defense against harmful free radicals. These free radicals are known to damage arteries, leading to heart disease. Pomegranates also stimulate the production of nitric oxide in your body, which helps arteries to open up and improve blood flow. Moving on, we have fatty fish. Think of salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like superheroes for your heart. Omega-3 fatty acids work to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, effectively taking the strain off your arteries. They also help to decrease triglycerides, a type of fat in your bloodstream, thereby reducing the risk of artery blockage. Lastly, for this segment, let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice is not just for adding color and flavor to your meals. It's the home of curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps to protect your heart by improving the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This means it can help regulate blood pressure and prevent blood clotting, which are key in maintaining heart health. But that's not all. There are even more heart-healthy foods to uncover. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of foods that cleanse the arteries, ensuring your heart stays strong and healthy. Continuing on our journey of heart-healthy foods, we come across olives. These little fruits are a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moreover, the antioxidants found in olives fight inflammation, a key contributor to arterial plaque buildup. Olive oil, too, is a heart-healthy choice, especially when it's extra virgin. It's packed with polyphenols that can help lower blood pressure and prevent clotting. Now let's shift our focus to whole grains. These are not only filling, but they're also a great source of dietary fiber. This fiber plays a significant role in reducing the levels of cholesterol in your body, and therefore helps in decreasing the risk of heart disease. Foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent choices when it comes to whole grains. And lastly, we can't forget about berries. These sweet and tangy fruits are loaded with antioxidants and fiber, both of which are great for your heart health. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries can help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing LDL cholesterol, controlling blood pressure, and improving the health of your arteries. These are just a few of the many foods that can help keep your arteries clean and your heart healthy. In conclusion, it pays to eat healthily. We've journeyed through the myriad of foods that cleanse our arteries, from fibrous fruits and leafy greens to fatty fish and whole grains. The key takeaway? Your diet is your heart's first line of defense. It's about more than just avoiding unhealthy food. It's about actively choosing what's best for your heart. Remember, a healthy heart starts with a healthy diet. So, why not start incorporating these foods into your meals today?